Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can free up RAM on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So there are several things that you can do in order to free up RAM, and let me show you some of them. So for example, the first thing that you can do is avoid using live wallpapers as they use quite a bit of RAM. So like I do right now, this is something that you don't really want to do if you care about using too much RAM. So in this case, we want to simply change the wallpaper. So if you don't know how to do that yet, you can simply tap with your finger on the home screen on any empty space. In order to open these options, go to wallpapers, and then let's change the wallpaper to something that is not animated or that is not live. So let's say I'm going to choose a simple wallpaper like this one, for example, right? There we go. And then we want to confirm it and set it to home screen. And that's pretty much it. Now, definitely the smartphone should use a little bit less RAM, but that's not all that we can do. We can also open the settings, and then in the settings we want to go to apps. Now in the apps over here we have app battery usage. We can tap over here, and then we can see apps, pretty much the list of all apps. And let's say I'm gonna choose TikTok. And now over here we have some things that you can do with the app. For instance, in the case of TikTok, we can use restricted battery usage, which should also lower the usage of RAM as well. Also, another thing is that if you don't use an app at the specific moment, you want to force stop it so that it doesn't use RAM as well. So over here you have the force stop button. You can press OK in order to confirm it, and there we go. You can do the same with lots of different apps. Let's say with YouTube, you can force stop it as well, and so on and so forth. So this is how we can optimize the usage of RAM. In addition to that, once you are in the apps, we can also tap see all apps that you have installed. And now we can try to find apps that we don't really need to use at all. Some of them might be bloatware, and some of them might be just annoying and unnecessary. So for instance, as an example, I can choose the Motorola notifications over here. I can tap here, and some of them can be disabled. So I can tap disable in order to disable the app, and they will no longer function, and this will of course also keep some RAM. So let's disable some of the apps. We have disabled the notifications. Let's say the mobile services manager, we can disable this as well. So this is how we can do that. This should also help you free up some RAM. And the last thing that I want to show you is disabling the animations. So let's go back to the settings, and then in the settings you want to find accessibility. Now choose color and motion, and then over here you have remove animations. This will of course disable all animations. As you can see now, there are no transitions at all, and this will also help you to save some RAM a little bit at least. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.